Going on, motorcycle family? It's time for another video. Oh man, where do I start? I know it's been some time since I've posted content, so let's give you an update of what's happened. Then we'll go into the actual review of this Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing. Awesome. But anyway, start with wrist sprain. Yeah, my clutch hand, wrist sprain. Couldn't squeeze the clutch, couldn't ride. Got over that, got over it. It took me a while to get over it. Sprained my elbow. Got over that, started doing some riding, and it was cold as crap. Cold as crap. But anyway, I still ride. I'm not just one of those weekend warriors and only ride during the nice weather. I ride summertime and wintertime. That's the main reason why I got that fairing there. Yeah, so I got over that and started doing some riding, and my bike broke. Clutch bearing went out. Luckily, I was able to limp it home in 4th gear. So I made it to the house, got it back into the shop, and my anniversary with my wife came around. We went to the mountains, came back, it got done. I picked it up, threw out my back, so I couldn't ride it. Bummer. So I'm actually still getting over this whole back injury. It's not a 100%. Today's actually the first day I've been able to get out and do some riding. Not a whole lot, but I have done some riding with it. And I will tell you, this Memphis Shades fairing is awesome and worth every penny. The one I bought everything through Memphis Shades. Okay, the fairing, the windshield, and the handguards, the mounting brackets, which are a quick detach mounting bracket, is all you have to purchase separate through them. The windshield's a 15-inch. Based on your height, I'm like 5'10", almost 5'11", and this one is, I can still see over the top of it. The wind kind of hits the top of my head, but it's not nothing serious, but it takes all the wind off of my body, and that's what I was really going for, because like I said, I'm driving this thing all the time on the interstate, 70 plus miles an hour. So if you know you ride bikes and you're doing any type of mileage 70 plus miles an hour, it can be hectic on your back. So that is now a serious game changer. If you've subscribed to my channel, you'll know that I had a Saddleman seat on there. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Appreciate all the ones that have. But this is my old Mustang seat. When I got it out of the shop, I didn't notice it till I got back home. My rear seat bolt wasn't on there. And I got to looking. Not only was that not on there, but the threads were missing. So I had to order another nut and all that good stuff. Anyway, that's coming in the mail. So my Saddleman seat, which is the Saddleman Explorer, is also another game changer, especially if you're doing any type of serious mileage. And if you have any types of back injuries or anything like that, you're going to want something with more cushion than that. But like I said, that is comfy. It's just not what I need. But there it is. That's what's been going on with the channel. Like I said, I haven't been able to do any type of content because it's been stupid right around here. But y'all have any questions about this fairing? The install is not hard. There are multiple videos of how to install this thing. Matter of fact, I'll tell you, Blockhead's channel, if you go onto his profile, he's got one on there and he installs it on a Sportster. It's very straightforward. If you have a couple of hands, you can. It is easier if you have a couple of hands. I did this by myself. The hardest part, honestly, for me, it wasn't really lining it up. It was a little bit of a challenge, but when you get the extension for your headlight, I didn't have enough wiring for the play. So I had to undo the gas tank, lift it up a little bit, take my seat off, and shove some of the wiring forward. That way I'd have enough so whenever I turn or whatnot, I can actually make that happen. So if you run into that issue, that's what you're probably going to have to do. But other than that, like I said, it is a little pricey. I'm not going to lie to you for the kit, but I promise you it's worth every penny. If you have any questions, you can even call Memphis Shades customer support. They can kind of walk you through any kind of questions that you might have. But overall, it's definitely worth it. But anyway, I appreciate all y'all tuning in, subscribing to the channel. If y'all haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that thing up. I appreciate it, y'all. Until the next video, peace.